Hello everyone. Today we're going to transform a simple scene into a much richer, more atmospheric environment using UModeler X and ARTnGAME's Ivy Studio. Let's begin by cutting this pillar in half using UModeler X. One of UModeler X's greatest strengths is that it allows you to modify models directly inside Unity without relying on external tools. This gives artists the freedom to shape their ideas instantly while staying fully immersed in the Unity workflow. After slicing the mesh, a new face is created and sometimes the UVs may break. But with UModeler X's built-in UV editor, fixing UVs right inside Unity is quick and simple. This lets you create natural, seamless cut surfaces while keeping a clean, game-ready mesh, which is incredibly valuable during production. Now let's add a few more vertices to enhance the damaged look of the structure. With UModeler X you can freely manipulate vertices and reshape models directly within the game environment. This enables developers to express their creative intentions more intuitively and visually. Next we'll bring in Ivy Studio to add vegetation that fits a jungle or ancient ruins aesthetic. Ivy Studio automatically grows vines along collider surfaces, walls, pillars, terrain, so with simple drag and drop placement you can achieve impressive detail with minimal effort. Beyond placement, Ivy Studio offers fine control over vine shapes, wind animation and even real-time vine growth during gameplay, creating a more immersive experience for players. UModeler X's rapid modeling capabilities combined with Ivy Studio's procedural vegetation system deliver a seamless, highly efficient workflow for environment creation. When UModeler X and Ivy Studio come together you can build terrain quickly and enhance it with natural vegetation all within Unity. Experience an optimized, uninterrupted environment creation pipeline that takes you from concept to final level design without ever leaving the engine.